depends on the hat.
Oh my, this
So,
guy.
again, it's
Once again,
preference.
he's back on the channel and he's messing with our minds. But yo, what is up, YouTube? Welcome back. My name is Rahnni Fitteds. I love fitted hats. I collect fitted hats, and this is a fitted hat channel. So as you guys know, I usually do my videos solo, right? And when I started out the channel, me and my little bro, we're actually doing the reviews on the hats. And as of recent, you know, like I've said, he's gotten a little bit busier, so he doesn't have a lot of free time. But when we're in this room, when you guys see this room, you guys know he's back. So I want to introduce you to him because he does have a new appearance, a new look. But I'm gonna let him do his thing. So
Yes, sir. What's good, y'all?
woo!
Hey, Kobayashi back at it here.
Bro.
As you can tell, it's my hair. It's gone.
Oh, it's his hair.
It's
Okay.
gone.
Okay.
Shorter.
It's gone, bro. Who cut it?
And now my hats are bigger.
A lot bigger, bro.
But you
a
know,
lot bigger.
we still
Hey, who cut your hair though?
we can still fix it. The person who cut my hair is none other than Rahnni himself. So
Yeah.
appreciate you, dog.
I got you, bro. I got you. But you know, I was like, hey, this long hair, you had fun with it, but it's time to change it up. You know,
Time
it's good
for
to
a
change it
change,
up
yep.
once in a while. So he agreed, and we chopped it off. But you know, it looks like he's been digging it a lot lately. So I'm happy to see that, bro.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
He's got on the good hat. Go ahead and introduce that real quick.
Honestly, Mount Fuji, right?
Mount Fuji. Yes.
Mount Fuji collection. It's the LA. Right there. Right there.
Don't get too close up them CD bags.
Right there.
Okay.
There you
okay.
go. There you go.
Mount Fuji was a great collection, bro.
I think probably one of the best this year so far.
Well, it's only
I mean, hey,
February,
still,
but
still.
yeah, it's been a lot of heat that has dropped, so I understand what you're saying. I got on the Great Outdoors pack, and yeah, by the title of the
There you
video, we're gonna review these, and we're also gonna review hats from Burdeens. So
Hey, let's
a
go.
fitted pickup review, and it feels good to be back in this room, and want to see some cool edits this time, bro.
Let's see what we can do.
Last time you did some cool bing bongs, and I don't know
Hey,
what the trend is now, but
yeah,
you know, add those sounds.
we'll
But
try. We'll try.
I know you've been stepping up your game. Anyways, first review, Hatclub's Great Outdoors collection that dropped mid-February. So, you know, it was a collection based around this colorway. It is the sky blue on the crown,
Yes.
and it is the brown brim.
Yes.
And, yeah, brown. And then a 10 UV. And then you got maroon hits, you got blue hits. Really great collection. I was able to pick up 3.
Woo.
And the ones I picked up were all fire,
Yes,
and
sir.
I am happy to show you guys. So first off, let's go ahead and get the first review out of the way and do the one on my
When you're on
one
your
I'm
head.
wearing. Yeah. So boom, Atlanta Braves Tomahawk logo. You know, you see it right
Nice,
there.
nice.
I love the Tomahawk. If it were between the classic A script logo or the Tomahawk, I'll probably go with the Tomahawk. So glad they
That's
did
fair.
it.
That's fair.
Yeah. I don't know about you.
I think I'll be the same.
Yeah,
The
Tomahawk.
Tomahawk.
You know, more details. And
Yeah.
it's cool. But the clean A script, classic.
Still clean.
So you got the maroon hits, which maroon is one of my favorite colors, the maroon burgundy. You know,
Yes, sir.
I really like those waves. So I'm really happy that most of these hats have, well, all of these hats have them. And then you got the tan, you got the white stitching on the Tomahawk. Go on to Batteryman. Every Batteryman will look like this. Flat Batteryman, sky blue. I said brown earlier on the brim, but it's more like this sage or forest green. No, not forest, but sage green. So boom. And then the 2000 All-Star Game side patch. My favorite side patch, probably. Well, damn.
Okay. Fair. Fair.
But real quick, Kobe, you wanna check it out?
Yeah.
We got 3D, so don't take
Definitely,
too
the
long.
Great Outdoors is definitely, I think, better in hand, as most hats are. But honestly, in my opinion, I think just the classic script A would actually be better on this hat, in my opinion. But still looks good.
I see that. I
I
see that. But you know,
I feel like the Tomahawk's a little bit much.
well, let me tell
That's
you.
all I'm saying.
So the collection is called the Great Outdoors. Go outside, you know.
I get that, the little
Breath of
hatchet.
fresh
yeah, I
air,
get
you know,
that.
the hatchet. Go chop up some wood, you know, start a fireplace.
that,
You
I
know,
get that.
okay. But I see what you mean. Regardless, Atlanta's got some classic logos.
Exactly.
I love.
You can't
collecting
go
Atlanta
wrong, but
hats. Yeah.
it's just preference.
So Do we do the rating? It's been a while since I've done this. Out of 10 or?
Yeah, let's just go ahead and rate it now.
Okay. Go first, bro.
Because of that logo, I'm gonna give it a 7 out of 10.
Interesting, because you said you like this logo better than the A logo.
I do,
bro.
I
Classic
do,
A.
but it depends on the hat.
Oh my, this
So,
guy.
again,
Once
it's
again,
preference.
he's back on the channel and he's messing with our minds. But 7 out of 10, that's clean. It's an okay rating, but I honestly would give it an 8.5. I mean, I can't say too much because I can't say too much till the end. But I will say this is one of the top tier ones.
Ooh.
Entire pack.
Oh,
It's 8.5. Just love the
Okay.
logo. And move on to the next one.
the next one.
And the next one, Kobe will go ahead and take it away.
I bet it's the Tampa Bay one.
Tampa Bay one.
Tampa Bay.
What's the team,
Devil
bro?
Rays.
Yeah, he
There you go.
knows.
10th anniversary side patch right there.
Boom,
There's the flat Batteryman.
boom.
There's the UV and the
Color?
black guts.
Close the UV.
Brown?
It's like
Burn? Tan? Yeah, tan UV.
Black guts, right? Yeah.
Black guts. And honestly, I think this is the better one
Between what?
between the A's and the next one you guys see.
Between the Braves and the next. Really?
Yes,
Okay,
yes,
okay.
yes.
Well, let me go ahead and just
Go ahead. Take
debrief
it away.
real
Take
quick.
it away.
It's clean. I can see why Kobe picked it. You know, I like the race stitching on the Tampa Bay
Yes.
TV. That's clean. I'm not sure if most of this logo is stitched on like that. Probably is, but I do like the thickness of the stitching. It's cool. It really pops out at you. Really nice.
That's good.
What I do like is that, you know, nice little subtle hit of electric blue.
That's what I'm saying.
That's cool. That's cool.
That's
You don't
what I'm
see it on the
saying.
Braves one I'm wearing, so. And then you got that Brave or the electric blue hit right there, 10th season. This patch is okay. It's not anything spectacular like the Braves, but
Wow.
I see it, Kobe. I see it.
Wow.
This one is good. I'll go ahead and give my rating. This is a good 7.8.
Wow.
7.8 because you know, I just like the Braves better and the next one better. So
That's crazy. That's
still
crazy.
clean colorway and hat.
For me, 8.5.
8 point. Okay, of course.
Easy.
All right, we're just switching. We're just swapping ratings, so it's all good. Last but not least, we'll kind of go a little fast with these because we have this hat and then 2 more to show. But
Let's go,
last
let's
one
go.
out of the Great Outdoors pack is Chicago Cubs. The Chicago Cubs,
Yeah.
bro.
Can't go wrong.
You can't go wrong with the Cubs logo. I am a fan of like collecting animal logos from MLB and the Cubs, Bears. You know, the bear right there, the Cub.
Mm-hmm.
One of my favorites. So love it. This is I believe a pad or the logo from the 70s. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. I'm probably wrong, but really cool Cubs logo. I like the race stitching again. Really good embroidery on there. I like the tan hits. You got this nice little border of sage green, clean, and then you got the 100 years.
Ooh,
Crazy century side patch.
let's go.
You know, would have been cool if they did the 1990, but then it wouldn't match the logo
Right.
because
I get that. Yeah.
yeah. Flat Batteryman, of course. Boom. Cubs has been on fire lately. A lot of stores been doing Cubs. I would say this is a banger. I'm gonna let Kobe finish.
Yeah, it's a banger. Yeah.
It's a banger.
Yeah, I like this one. It's
Why you
definitely.
still holding this? You want this one, huh?
I was cherishing it, but yeah,
I'm
this
sure
one's
it's too long,
fired.
bro.
For me, the logo probably my second favorite from Cubs. My first one is the one up there, the one.
And like the 90s era.
Yeah.
The smaller Cub with like the
Exactly. Yes.
the Tide, bleach.
Yeah, exactly.
background.
What you said, but this one's my second favorite, and it's still definitely a good hat.
Yep.
I would rock it.
Kobe, go ahead and give it a rating.
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10.
Me too, bro. I'll say that. 8 out of 10. Good ratings. Overall, the collection is nice. They did, of course, more teams. I wish I would have picked up maybe like the Mariners as well.
Okay.
I also like the Oakland Athletics. It was a little bit different. It was a circular patch, an older patch. And I do like the Houston Astros. Kobe, I know you're not going to put those hats on, but
I
hey,
might.
if you guys are watching this, go check those out. Those are nice. I don't know. Did you So I know you haven't been really, paying attention to what's dropping, and that's fine. So it's really cool to see your perspective on it now.
Yeah.
So what do you think about these hats, this collection?
Yeah, honestly, this is like I said, my first time seeing these hats in person, and but the colorways are dope. It's definitely unique. Two-tone, can't go wrong with two tones. And yeah, I think I like it. I like this collection. I honestly think the Mount Fuji is a little bit better. But
Good
this is
discussion.
definitely
Good discussion
one.
to drop it down in the comments which you like better, the Mount Fuji's or the Great Outdoors. Please let us know. That is the question for the video.
Definitely Mount Fuji.
I am not gonna say because I actually did love that collection, but I love this too. I've been wearing this a lot more.
Damn,
I'm wearing it almost every day.
Well, let us know. And this has been the Great Outdoors from Hat Club. So let's go on to the next.
Yes, sir. One more thing is I want to say is this is a great collection for fall. I know it didn't release in the fall, and it could be just New Era delays, right?
Yeah.
But this is a great fall hat. So, yeah. Okay, moving on. We got more Cubs to show you, and like I said, we have a review coming from Burdeens Chicago. Kobe, you probably don't know about this store, but you about to know, cause
I heard a little bit. I'm honestly.
oh, okay.
Just a little smudge, a smidge.
Yo, that's good. Shout out to Burdeens Chicago. It's a sneaker hat store out in Chicago. They've been
Obviously
been on the scene lately and a newcomer with these fitted hats. Well, they've been making fitted hats for a while, but they really have been pushing the envelope and been making crazy, clean, fire designs. Super awesome. I was able to get these, and these two hats I'm about to show you is a collaboration between Burdeens Chicago, the store, and a fitted hat influencer, or a fitted hat collector, I should say, by the name of Don Paul Leon on Instagram.
Yeah, that's what's up.
P Rose, shout out to you, bro.
Hey, shout out.
You did a crazy collab. I love the colorways, and we're about to show you.
Well, let's take a look.
Probably first on YouTube, so I'm excited about that. First up,
Let's see it.
Kobe. Take a... Okay. Boom.
Damn.
Also, you got Chicago Cubs. You got the I don't know what era this is either, but please someone help me in the comments. Anyways, this is the Chicago Cubs. You got the purple Cub in there. You got the silver circle in there. The metallic stitching on the silver. Let's see the metallic.
I see
It's somewhat metallic on the purple, I think. It is, but go over here to the side. Wrigley Field.
That's a nice side patch. I like that one.
100 years patch. I believe. Yeah, 100 years. You got a flat Batteryman in metallic. Check that out, Kobe.
Yeah, I see it.
Hey, bro, it's good to have you back on the channel.
Glad to be back.
You still like seeing hats or checking out hats?
I love seeing hats.
You love seeing hats. That was a weird question for me to ask, but
yeah,
threw
me off.
It's the little details that really win my heart.
For sure.
You get this smooth, silky white gut.
Ooh,
it
feels different.
It makes you
different.
It makes it more comfortable when you wear the hat. Just the little details I like, So that's nice.
That's a good touch.
Gray UV, classic clean hat, a good, everyday wear.
Yeah, for sure.
Boom. I'm gonna go ahead and give you the hat, and you check it out and give it a rating.
Yeah, honestly, you can't go wrong with just a traditional black hat. Definitely can rock it with anything.
Goes good with your shirt.
Yeah,
bro.
it goes good with my shirt now. Little match.
You always do that with the videos.
Somehow. But yeah, honestly, I'm not a fan of this logo that much. But seeing it on.
Wait, what's your favorite Cubs logo? So it's the smaller Cubs.
Yeah.
The 90s era.
Right, and then the one that you had on the Great Outdoors is my second favorite.
Oh.
And this would be my third favorite logo for Cubs. But on this hat, it works well. Can't say nothing less.
Bro, I like this Cubs logo. Might be my favorite. This is like the cool Cubs. He chilling. I like it. It's like just chilling. The other ones are more like the smaller Cub is like a baby Cub, and
I feel that.
It's like the Papa Cub. I don't know.
Just my preference. That's definitely my third favorite. But for a rating, I'm gonna give it an 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10.
Definitely a clean hat.
This one you can wear every day.
Exactly.
It's gray UV, clean. 8.9. Clean hat. I like the side patch. It's also by someone that I've interacted with the community, the fitted hat community. Don Paul Leon, P Rose, you're a cool dude. You have inspired me when doing Instagram lives. You was one of the first to do it in the fitted community. So, shout out to you, bro.
Shout out.
This is awesome that
Keep
you've done
doing your
that collab. Inspires me still. So, yes, sir. Moving on. There were 3 hats in the collection, right? I have 2 out of the 3. The third one is the Campfire remix in a way, because it's a burnt orange crown and it's a brown brim, green UV. That was probably the best one, the most hype one. I should say best, because this is my favorite one out of the 3. So let's go ahead and show it in 3, 2, 1. Boom.
Hey. Okay.
Once again, Chicago Cubs. Once again, the 100-year patch, Wrigley Field. Same Cubs.
This one
logo.
definitely nice.
This one nice, bro. This one is the purple crown. You got the black brim. You get the black squatchy. You got this red. Is it red? Oh no, it's a little bit of like a salmon pink, or like a salmon, but beautiful, man. You got black guts. Let's see, made in China. I think this one. Yep, made in China. Got Batteryman with the metallic.
Hey.
One more time at the side patch. You got that salmon. You got that purple in there. And then this Cubs is a little bit different, because the actual Cub is just all metallic silvered out. Interesting approach to that. I don't know like if there was like a deep meaning behind all these hats. I know that the collection was called the Homecoming Pack, so if I do find out more information, I'll throw it in the details. But overall, this one is super clean, and once again, give it to Kobe. Take it away, bro.
I think this is probably all that has to be seen today. That's probably my favorite one.
I agree.
Yeah, can't go wrong with a two-tone as always. And yeah, this two-tone just, oh my god.
So
Looks good.
These hats I feel like are really, the Great Outdoors hats are really easy for us to wear. It's like our style. We like those earth tone vibes.
Right, facts.
And what he said was like, this is the best hat out of that he's seen today, and I would have to agree. So this one is a lot harder to wear for us, but it's worth wearing. It's worth like
you can match
because
it,
it just stands out.
Exactly, yeah.
The purple and black, it makes it wearable still, but
yeah, I see myself wearing the Great Outdoors more, but in overall, just like looks.
You just like this one the best.
This one is probably the best.
And I like that salmon UV.
Exactly, yeah.
It's different. We've seen Burdeens do the Selena hat, where it's the retro S logo that Kobe really likes.
For sure, yeah.
That hat was a banger as well. This one is a gem. Great job.
Definitely.
Paulie, P Rose, great job. Burdeens. I am excited to see what else you guys have cooking.
Keep doing
your thing. This is a 9 out of 10. Great hat.
Same.
Great
9
hat.
out of 10.
Cool hat too. And
that's it.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10.
Cool. So hey man, this was hey guys, this was a quick check of the video, quick review. I just want to see if Kobe was down to do a review, and he was. So
I had time today.
Yeah. All right, guys. Once again, go ahead and check us out on Instagram. Rahnni Fitteds. Kobe is A Kobayashi. You'll drop it down in the video, but go ahead and comment. Which is better, the Mount Fuji or the Great Outdoors, and what do you guys think about Burdeens Chicago?
Yes, sir. And let us know what you guys copped, and as always, give us your ratings on these hats as well.
Yes, sir. Like the video, share the video, subscribe if you haven't done so already. I've been cranking out more videos.
I see it.
Yeah. So, man, it's fun. Still gonna go ahead and push more videos out, but go ahead and subscribe. Like I said, you see more content. So, once again, guys, appreciate you checking out the video. My name is Rahnni Fitteds.
Hey, Kobayashi.
Thanks for watching. See you later.
Peace.